Good day, class. Welcome to Haitian Creole. This is Creole 101, an introduction to Haitian Creole. Now, after completing this course, you, the student, should be able to write and read any Haitian Creole word. You should be able to start speaking Haitian Creole. That is, if you, the student, practice what you learn in this course, that is, if you expose yourself to where the language is being spoken. Practice makes perfect. Really, the better way to speak any language, not just Haitian Creole, the better way to speak any language is by exposing yourself to it. It's to live it. When you're living it, that's when you'll be able to speak the language. You will see, if you go to the PowerPoint, there is a PowerPoint attached to this class. You will see the reason why it is easy to learn and speak Creole. What you will see that we don't have lots of grammar rules that you will see in the other languages, even in English, for instance. But although in French and Spanish, we have much more rules than English. You don't have all that in Haitian Creole. And you will also see the 4 pillars of Haitian Creole. Now, you will also see in that PowerPoint presentation the formation of the teacher, my formation, why am I qualified to teach this class. You will also see my experiences, all that in the PowerPoint if you check. And any question, feel free to post your question and then we'll make sure we answer that. And you will see the materials you will need for this class. I want to say this, it is important to speak a language. The books won't teach you how to speak a language. You need to live it. Without any further ado, let's move to lesson 1.